Good morning. My name is Mihir Tarajya and my enrollment number 18 series 035. My topic is a comparison between 4G and 5G networks. So let's about discussion. So let's topic is a compare between 4G and 5G networks. So let's discuss about 4G networks. 4G is the fourth generation. 4G network is a fourth generation of a wireless communication system. It gives the high speed data access, high quality streaming videos, capable to providing data speed up to 100 Mbps. 4Gની કેપેસિટી છે ને એ 100 Mbps ટુ ધ 1 Gbps સુધીની છે અને એને ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરવા માટે મેજિક કરીને વર્ડ છે જે તેને ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરે છે. મેજિક માટે એને ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરીએ તો કે એમ મીન્સ મોબાઈલ મલ્ટીમીડિયા, એ મીન્સ એની ટાઈમ એનીવેર્સ, જી મીન્સ ગ્લોબલ મોબિલિટી સપોર્ટ્સ, I means integrated wireless solution, C means communication personal service. It over the both circulars and broadband multimedia service everywhere. It use the pocket switching for voice. It use the pocket switching is voice video call interact of the circuit switching. Two 4G candidate system that have been the comparatively developed are Vidmax standard and the LTI. Technological use in the 4G. Smart antennas for MIMO, IPv6, OFDM and SDR means software defined radio. So first our discussion about the smart antennas. So smart antennas gives the fast bit rate, space divisions, multiplication means SDMA, very high securities, reduction of error due to the multipath fading, less power used for transmission, resolve problem diminishing spectrum ability. A smart antenna is an array of elements connected to digital signal processing. Its antenna elements is propagation path difficulty, enability, the collection of elements, the discontinuous individual path with a central resolution. SDMA such enable to multiple user with the same radio cell to be accommodated on the same frequency or time slot. IPv6, this is the figure of the IPv6 architectures. It enables a number of applications with the better multicast security and router automation capabilities. PV6 support is the essential in order to support a large number of wireless embedded service. By increasing the number of IP address, PV6 removes the need of network address translation NAT. OFDM. OFDM full form is orthogonal frequency division multiplexing. OFDM is a method of the encoding digital data of multiple carrier frequencies. All of the transmission of more data than other form of multiplexing, time, frequency, code, etc. Simplifying the design of transmission and receiver all for use almost the entire frequency band. Currently used is a VIMAX 80216. This is the figure of orthogonal signal frequency spectra. This is the frequency diagrams. SDR, software defined radio. It is one of the from open wireless architecture. One of open wireless architecture. Software defined radio SDR is a radio communication system where components that have been typically implemented in hardware. Example તરીકે mixture and filter etc. are intercent implemented by means of software on personal computer or embedded system. Since 4G is a collection of wireless standards are final from a 4G device considering virus stand which is can be efficient TSDR technology. LET is used the geo or our routing life we use a LET. LET is also IP based architecture. It is the quite different of VMX and security much means. The LET satisfaction provide downlink package rate is a 300 or Mbps. Uplink pace is a 75 Mbps. LET support carrier bandwidth from 1.4 megahertz to 20 megahertz. It supports both frequency division, duplexing FDD and TDD. Let's discuss about the 5G. The fifth generation of wireless technology is called the 5G networks. High connectivity is give the high connectivity, more clarity in audio and video service. User can be simulation be connected to several wireless access technologies. 5G technologies is providing large broadcasting of data guide gigabytes bit with supporting almost 65,000 connections, capable for supporting wireless world wide web means 4Ws. Supports PV6, increasing the data address size from 62 bits and 120 bits. 5G wireless use OFDM and frequency bands of 28 gigabytes. Architecture of 5G technology is so as the flatter IP connected 5G connectors. Flat IP architecture reduce the number of network elements, the data path reduce the number of network elements, the data path of lower operation cost and capital expenditures, minimize the system latency and enable application with the tolerance for delay, create a platform with enable mobile broadband operators to competitive. This is the one type of architecture of 5Gs shown in figures. With the help of nanotechnology, 5G will become more intelligent. It will create a new platform that enabling computing and communications applications. Our mobile can set the workloads. It is very 5G is a very fastest network in the world. If you can able to sense tsunami earthquake before occur, mobile phone get the clean by its own. You can able to fault your mobiles as per your desire. Able identify your slot mobile with nanoseconds. 5G would the introduce to artificial intelligence, mobile telecommunication. Let's discuss about 4G versus 5G. Why 5G is better than 4G? How does 4G stock up to 5G? 5G 5G late change is 1 million seconds, and 4G is 10 to 15. Density is 1 million 5Gs, and 4Gs 100K. Then the traffic efficiency, since the 10 10 Mbps per meter square is the 4G, and here 100 times means 1000 Mbps per meter square. This is the uh, major major difference is the 4G 4G capacity there, and then start the 5G capacities. Means 4G capacity speed capacity is the 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps. Then 5G start 1 Gbps to 1 Gbps to 1000 Gbps. That is the speed of. That's why the 5G is the best networks. Develop 4G is 2006 to 10, and 5G is 2020. This is our our latest upgrades in the wireless communication systems. Thank you.